I know System of a Down said that eating seeds is a pastime activity, but for me, it's watching spiders build their webs, snacking flies, and feeding spiders. Focus. Oh yeah, and getting yelled at by birds.